Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 2026-04 preview update KB5083631 failing to install on Windows 11. Let's get straight into it. Start with the basics. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and hit Download and Install. If it's stuck, click Check for Updates again. After that, restart your PC and retry the update. A simple reboot fixes a lot of update glitches. If that doesn't help, pause updates for a few days, then resume them. This refreshes the update queue and can clear stuck downloads. Next, press Windows Search, type Services, and open it. Find App Readiness, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Windows Update. Open each one, set Startup Type to Automatic, start the service if it's stopped, then restart it. Now, repair system files, search for Command Prompt, run it as administrator, and enter these commands one by one: SFC, Scano, DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health, DSM, Online, Cleanup Image, Scan Health. Wait for each to complete before moving to the next. If the update still won't install, manually download it. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog, search for KB5083631, download the version that matches your system, usually x64, and install it manually. Another option is to repair Windows Update using System Recovery. Go to Settings, System Recovery, then use the option to reinstall Windows using Windows Update. This keeps your files intact. You can also reset update components. Create a BAT file with reset commands, run it as administrator, and it will clear update cache and services. Finally, if nothing works, use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant to upgrade your system manually. This usually forces the update through without errors. That's it. One of these methods should fix the issue. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Genie for more quick fixes.